Hey Internet, today's lesson is the wrap feature. What it does is that it allows you to wrap your text on a curved surface or to scribe or emboss or deboss words on components. This can also work for logos as well. So once you've drawn your text, what I've done is just create a plane tangent to the cylinder, and I've used the guideline and I wrote a text on the guideline. So if you just click on wrap, drop the drop box and then click on your text, then we'll go deboss for this one and we'll choose the surface, which is the cylinder. 5mm should be fine. The direction is which way it's curved, well, which way it's being wrapped. So if we put reverse, it'll be on the opposite direction, but we'll do it in this direction in this case. As you can see, it is cut into the cylinder, and we'll just do another example. So this one, 3mm. So in this case we'll go emboss. So this one is like a mini extrude, but for your text. As you can see, it's a mini extrude for your text. And if you want to sketch your logo and then do the same, you would go to Tools, Sketch Tools, and then Sketch Picture. So you would just drop your logo onto a sketch, trace it, and then do the same. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, comment if you got any questions. Until next time, see ya.